Hi, first graders. Today we're going to talk about building with shapes again, but this time we're talking about building with the solid shapes or the 3D shapes. So in this picture, we have a picture of one sphere, two pyramids, four cylinders. So they have the two skinny cylinders and the two bigger cylinders, two cubes, one cone, and one rectangular prism. With those shapes, they made different models. So this was one model they used using some of those. And here's another one. I'm going to make a shape next, or a model next, and I'm going to have you look at it, and I want you to count how many of each shape you see, okay? Okay, so looking at this model that I just put together and made, I want you guys to look and see how many cubes did you see? How many spheres are there? How many rectangular prisms? How many pyramids, cylinders, and cones? So if you said you saw two cubes, you're correct. There's one right here and one right here. If you said you saw 0 spheres, you're correct. Rectangular prisms, there's one right here. Pyramids, there's one right here. Cylinders was tricky because it's not the exact same cylinder as in the picture. It's these two right here are cylinders. Oh, I broke it. So there's two cylinders. And then the last one says how many cones? And this is our one cone. So today for your workbook pages, you're going to be counting how many shapes you see in models. So today you're working on pages 111 to 112. Have fun!